Today, I am reviewing Lenovo Legion 5i gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a gaming laptop that strikes the perfect balance between raw performance, intelligent design, and portability, the Lenovo Legion 5i deserves a very close look. This is not just another gaming laptop. It's a powerhouse built for serious gamers, creators, and students who want a machine that can handle everything from AAA titles to demanding creative software, all while looking sleek and modern. Let's start with the performance, because that's the heart of any gaming machine. The Legion 5i is powered by Intel's latest Core i7-14700HX processor, a chip built on a newly optimized hybrid architecture that intelligently combines performance cores with efficiency cores. This means you're getting top-tier performance when gaming, streaming, or working on heavy tasks, but you're also saving battery and running more efficiently during lighter tasks like browsing or note-taking. Intel has designed this processor to go beyond gaming, giving you the horsepower you need for both creation and productivity. So, whether you're editing a high-resolution video, running C80 software, or grinding out competitive matches in esports, this laptop doesn't skip a beat. Paired with the processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, powered by NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture. This is where the Legion 5i truly shines as a gaming laptop. The RTX 5070 isn't just about raw graphical power, it's about next-level experiences. With its AI-driven horsepower, you're getting ray-traced lighting, ultra-realistic shadows, and breathtaking detail in modern games. Plus, it's optimized for creators too, giving you accelerated rendering times and smooth workflows in design and 3D modeling applications. Essentially, the Legion 5i is both a gaming rig and a creative workstation in one portable package. Now, let's talk about the display because Lenovo has gone above and beyond here. The Legion 5i features a 15.1-inch 2.5K WQXGA PureSight OLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate. What does that mean in real-world use? It means your games look stunningly sharp with vibrant, true-to-life colors, while fast-paced gameplay feels buttery smooth thanks to the high refresh rate and low response times. On top of that, the OLED technology delivers deep blacks, higher brightness up to 500 nits, and exceptional contrast. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or working on color-accurate creative projects, this display is going to impress you. And since it's tuned for both gaming and content creation, it's versatile enough for just about anyone. Cooling is always a concern for powerful laptops, but Lenovo has clearly addressed that with its Coldfront hypersystem. It uses turbocharged stealth fans, copper heat pipes, and aluminum heat sinks to keep temperatures low while keeping noise levels whisper quiet. You can focus on your gameplay or work without worrying about thermal throttling or distracting fan noise. And for a gaming laptop of this caliber, that's a huge win. Battery life is another area where Lenovo made smart improvements. With power-efficient hardware and AI-driven performance tuning, you'll get extended use on a single charge. But what really stands out is the fast-charging technology, taking the battery from 0 to 70% in under 30 minutes via USB Type-C. That's perfect for students or professionals who need to grab some quick power between classes or meetings. Speaking of AI, Lenovo has included the AI Engine Plus, which automatically optimizes your performance based on what you're doing. If you're in a demanding AAA title, it increases FPS and smooths out gameplay. If you're working on creative software, it reduces render times. All of this is easily managed through Lenovo's Legion Space, so you don't need to manually tweak settings unless you want to. Another perk is the 3 months of PC Game Pass included with the Legion 5i. That means right out of the box, you have access to hundreds of high-quality games, including all the latest titles from Xbox Game Studios and EA Play. For a gamer, this adds tremendous value, especially if you're looking to dive into new releases without paying for them separately at launch. From a design perspective, the Legion 5i strikes a great balance between being bold enough for gamers but sleek enough for professional use. It comes in Eclipse Black, weighs just about 4.4 pounds, and measures under an inch thick at 0.85 inches. That makes it thinner and lighter than many competing gaming laptops, while still offering uncompromising performance. It's portable enough to carry around campus, take to work, or move between rooms in your home without feeling bulky. As for connectivity, you get multiple USB ports, Bluetooth 5.3, and all the essentials for modern peripherals. The laptop also ships with Windows 11 Home, which is optimized for gaming and productivity, giving you the latest features from Microsoft. To sum it up, the Lenovo Legion 5i is a true all-rounder in the gaming laptop market.